Today we are covering NumPy and Matplotlib part. The first is how to create an identity matrix with all the diagonal elements are 1. How to create the np.random command, all the random numbers filling the matrix. Then this is the np.ravel, which is any matrix to be linearized. Any matrix, all the values to be this np.travel, where all the elements covered in one row. Then how to dot product up to matrix. That is simple plot that we have covered, the more detailed about it. The bar graph, histogram, and pie chart. All these things we'll try to cover this lecture. First thing, in the Google Colab or even in Python setup, you have to install through pip the install NumPy. This is the first command. If it is already once it's installed in one session, you did not have to install again. This is the first command. Like we cover how to create a matrix, identity matrix. All the diagonal elements are ones. This is the command is np.eye 4, and we can make a data type integer. And we can see the class NumPy, the ND, all the color elements. Same way, we can create all the NP ones, all the elements are ones, all the elements are zeros, and all the elements NP randoms. How to make two matrix, like we created data matrix np.array with 1 and 2, and ones np ones 1 1, all the elements are 1, and now we are making data plus ones. We'll get 2 by 3. We see it here. First we create np.array 1, 2, print data np ones and print ones, data plus ones there. This is the data plus minus 1, data minus 1, and data star data divide by data. Like these are the things, all the comments and results are here. You can index a element like import NumPy as NP, and we filled it up 1, 2, 3, and we can get it the element data 0, data 1, and data 0, 2, that means 0, 1 excluding 2, and data 1, that is from data 2 and 3. With NumPy, you can get the value max, mean, sum, product, and also standard deviation. We can run all these things, like we can create data docs max, data dot mean, data sum, data mean, and these are the functions available. Standard deviation, product, we initialize with NumPy with 1, 2, 3, and we will also get the values. This is we have to create a matrix np.array 1, 2, and 3, 4 with this kind of third bracket, and we can see this matrix is created. Matrix arithmetic is simple. We created data and ones, and if we add it, like here, print data and ones and print data plus ones, we get the value. Here we fill the data with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then once row all this one, and we can add the broadcast mode, all this 1, 1 to all of this. And this is the print data, once row, print data plus once row. It will be added, and all the elements 2, 3, all elements in this matrix, all will be added to 1. This is a matrix. This is 1 by 3 row by column, and this is the 3 by 2, and we will get 1 row 2 column matrix with the dot. This is the way we have to use the dot. See here, we create a NP array and data, and we put the power of tens, and we data is the original data, the dot product with this matrix. Dot product with this matrix will give this value. With the simple command data.t, we can get a transpose of a matrix. So this is the matrix, and we can transpose the data.t. We here initialize this matrix, and we transpose, we get this. This one, first this I also covered in the earlier session. We filled it with NP range from 12 to 20, excluding 20 with step 1. So 12 to 19 with step 1. And now we can reverse this by this command, this original array, and we reverse with x colon colon minus 1. It will be printed. Now another x will be, right now we change with this reverse. There is another command, np.ravel. np.ravel makes all the elements together in a single row. Like here, we initialize the matrix 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. With np.ravel, we will get it all together. So this is in picture processing, image processing, we can use it. And this is order F. Order S means will combine by columns. Like it will be printed 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. This is the order F. F for fortran. This is the convention. Same thing here. Whenever you using Matplotlib, we first install Matplotlib with _pip install Matplotlib. Matplotlib already installed. Then you can use import Matplotlib as a plot. This is we get a line style. You can add line style, color, label, sin x. This is label sin x and line plot. This is subplot 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be here 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, and 4, 4. Line space, difference between line space and range is 0 to 2. We divide it into 100 points. 0 to 2 divided by 100 points by line space command, and we give a simple plot. We can have legend, x is set level, y level, and this is the set title. This is the set title, and this is the legend. Legend is created. Then is another type of plot, scatter plot. This is very useful to get the outliers and fill the clustering, to get the clustering of the data, to create the value with random. We get the clustering, and then the shade green. And what is this? This is the bar graph, category is ABC. The bar graph system. These are the values, and this is a histogram, and we get the values. This is a pie chart. Only thing, plt.py plot title, and here it is plt.histogram, and here it is plt.py. And this is what is more customized. Here is it's more customized, and line width, marker, or we can change it. Red, blue. This is for today. Thank you for being here.